Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to learn about Nanonets, which is an AI powered tool which is used to automatically extract the information from documents such as PDFs, invoices, receipts, forms, ID cards and images. So how it works is nothing but it uses the OCR and the machine learning to read the documents and it converts them to a structured data. So this nanonets automatically extract the fields like name, date, invoice, amount, address, etc. It works with PDF files, scanned images, photos of documents, handwritten forms, etc. So it reads the OCR, process it, extract the information. It converts into a structured form of data and you can export the final data into an Excel or a CSV or JSON or API integration. So let's see how it really works and with a simple demo. So first thing, you can upload an invoice as a PDF or an image or any ID card kind of information, ID card related data, and the Nanonet processes using the machine learning technology. It does the automatic extraction and it exports the result using the Excel. So let's look into the demonstration of how it works. So first thing is you have to enter into app.nanonets.com. You have to sign in. I have already signed in, but the only thing you have to use your official mail ID. Your personal mail ID will not work here. So after you enter, you can see how this data transformation works. With the instant training model, the receipts, which is a pre-built extractor, driving license, invoices, purchase orders, bills of lading, tables, passports. So all these kind of data transformation works. There are some pre-built workflows also. You can create a new workflow or an existing workflow. So when you have a existing workflow, I have used table information. So you can use upload the files. You just can select upload the file. You can click and drop it. Here it is a paid version also. See, in basic version, free version, you have only limited number of options per day. You can have only 2 to 3 extractions is possible. So here you can click, you can select your document or PDF or an image file from any email or OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox, etc. So here I have uploaded a PNG file. This file is this is the invoice data. So after selecting the data, you just can give extract the data. So after extracting, you can already have extracted. And since it is a free version, my limit is also have exhausted. So I just show you how this works. And it include the table. Here is a tabulated data. And I am downloading it as CSV file. So the CSV file is downloaded. It extracts and I can find the information. So what is the serial number? What is the description, quantity, rate, per amount, and I am getting the extracted tabulated data from an image data. So this is just an image which is a JPG extension. So you can even upload any number of files. So you just can click on upload. You can select the files. Either it can be a PDF or an image file, but it can be mainly an OCR data. So this is an overview of the workflows setup, how this data extraction is done. It extracts the data, AI training is done, pre-trained model is pre-built feature, and which there are a lot of features available in the paid version. So this is just a basic version where I have show you a demo. What we have seen today is just a basic version which is available free of cost. When you go for a premium version, you can enjoy a lot of services. You can go for external integration. Even you can select on a new workflow. You can see you have a lot of options available. So this Nanonet is really a wonderful option where you can extract the data. You can convert the data into a structured format. And you can export the data within few seconds in a few minutes or seconds using the format of CSV or Excel or any kind of data which you wish. Even JSON format is also been possible. So this is really wonderful option. So till we meet with the next video, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.